These are the elevators at the brand new, nearly rebuilt Magee Scaife Hall of Engineering at Carnegie Mellon University in Squirrel, North Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. There was an old building here which had an old typical CMU 60s Westinghouse with the Lins ADAMS Survivor in the 90s, but then they demolished it and they built this new building here with industrial commercial elevators with Innovation Bruiser and Smartrise. They're probably like Alliance or something. They're not MRL though, from what I can tell. Right? Charms flat. The service card says on independent. It says on this phone the door's closed. Yeah, I guess it is on this door. That one apparently, according to the record, is still under temp permit. A-level. No card reader yet, but they're probably going to install one. You don't see any weird stuff figured out. Sounds MRL, but records didn't show as MRL. Oh, these are fast. 6 floors. Okay. This one was actually done. That's surprising. Before. Here you go. I thought there would be like a separate password service, but that actually set. There are 4. And these, I think these go 350 feet a minute, which is a nice speed. This building is definitely still a lot of construction going on. Surprisingly, it is open, but not officially. Tactile 1. Actually, it's industrial commercial on the COP, which is surprising. It's a basic, I would assume it's stainless steel underneath the laser film, and the cap is still full with laser film. Here again, we cannot run the other one because that one's still under a temporary construction permit. Here, back at 1. Yeah, this one's a little pass-through, the other one's like a combination. Yeah, I think that's going to be it.